So this topic is we are going to cover team building. In this topic, we are going to talk about introduction, definition, relevance of team building, and importance of team building. In the previous unit, we have seen that other topic is critical thinking, creative and logical thinking, creative and logical thinking activities, and decision making. But in this unit, we are going to see about team building and team building activities. So, in this topic, what we have to learn according to the students, it is what is the team building concept and what will be the outcome as every participant or every individual, they will get more knowledge about what is team building, what is the benefits of team building, and what is that, and the relevance or importance of team building. Team building, the relevance, or why the team building is very important. Team building is an activity to motivate people to work together, to develop their strength, and to address any weaknesses. So, team building exercises should encourage collaboration rather than competition. It is the action or process of causing a group of people to work together effectively as a team, especially by means of activities and events designed to increase motivation and promote cooperation. Team building is the most important investment you can make for people. It builds trust, mitigates conflicts, encourages communication, and increases collaboration. So, what is team building? Team building is nothing but a group of persons, they make a one team, and they will talk about their strength and weaknesses of themselves. Okay, so what is team building? It is nothing but understanding evaluation of each individuals in the group. It's called as what? Team building. So team building is very important in the organization to understand each other. Okay, so why team building? Team building in the sense not only making a team or a group, afterwards in the group or in the team, each member, they have to understand each other about their negatives and positives, and negatives should be more motivated and positives should be what discourages, and others will also help to the each team members, okay, to help or motivate other people. Okay, so it is very important in the organization, not only in the organization, in the education institution is also team building is important. The relevance of team building is it is startup or a mid-scale business is essential, and it is create an able and expert team that works for a common goal. So team members have to connect and cooperate with others and create cohesive unit. Business organization invest in the team building programs and events are motivated for a fun also. So what is the team building? What are the relevance of team building? In the sense, it is used to in all that medium scale or a large scale organization, and why they are using this team building is to achieve or to reach the objective in the organization. So in the manpower is also one of the important factor to reach the common goal. Manpower andre yaru? Employees in the organization. So employees in the organization is also one of the important concept to reach the common objective in the organization. So we have to maintain all other activities in the organization along with that manpower or that employees in the organization. So employees in the organization, they have to maintain themselves and understand themselves. They have to cooperate and understand each other. So it is used for the purpose of even and motivational base ಮೋಟಿವೇಶ್ನಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫನ್ ಆಗು ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And here we are going to see the definition of team building. The definition of team building according to Eric Dalius, the team building activity helps to develop conflict resolution skills, problem solving, effective planning and good communication skills. So in the definition itself it is very clear what we have explained in the relevance of team building. The same thing only here it is explaining. The definition of team building is nothing but it is building the activities. It is a team or a team. They have to building the activities, help other members in the organization for resolution, ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ communication skills. So the training helps to promote long term bonding and fosters more in-depth discussions, knowledge sharing, idea process and genius connections. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? Team building helps to what? To understand each other. Communication will also improve and depth or more discussion can be done in team building, and idea can also be generated and genuine connections will be there. So this is the definition of team building given by Eric Dalius. The relevance of team building. First one, networking, socializing and getting to know each other. So in the side point it is clearly defined that is the importance or relevance of team building is we will get network each other. Network in the sense understand each other. Socializing will be there to get to understanding one person to another person for better. ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೋಷಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ making friends is one of the best way of increasing productivity. Work better at solving everyday issues. Holding a team building activity can be short and sweet over lunch. It can be in well planned even then everyone has more time to plan. So team building is what when the employees gets leisure time or when the employees gets a free time, that time the team building activities or a team building function can be done very seriously. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರದು ಏನೋ ಟೀ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರವರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೋಷಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next is team building boosting team performance. So what is the performance? Every employee will perform in the organization in a better manner. So with the help of team building, what happened in that introduction part we said that is every employee can understand each other and everybody can analyze themselves what is the strength and weaknesses. Okay, so that can be analyzed not only by that individual, it can be understand by ಅದರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಂಬರು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟೋ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅವರ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತನ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ we are also asking more knowledge or getting more knowledge from others what we don't know. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. The importance of team building is better correspondence. The correspondence is extraordinary group execution. The group building assists that is separating obstructions and correspondence, particularly among the board and colleagues, by indicating your cognial representatives are bound to come to you with an issues that emerge. So what is the better correspondence? With the help of team building, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು, each employee or each member in the team, they can understand each other, they have a better communication with each other to achieve the objectives in the organization. This is the first point. Second point is improved camaraderie. So at the point of view, individual smarts impart better, it is drastically improves camaraderie. It offers staff of the chance to have some good times and unwind with their associates, with the build profitably with their what revision of their work. That means with the help of good communication and good knowledge, what happened, team building will also participate in their activities. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಅವರವರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ work environment culture. So group building practices help to separate hindrances among the board and colleagues. They likewise increment the degree of regard staff individuals have to one another. This assists with the expanding levels of trust, manufacture better group connections and moderate. A superior will also work in the ವೆರಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್, ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟೀಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವ್ forward and there will be a better performance and good environmental culture in the organization. Fourth one, improved aptitude. So aptitude in the grasping power, yaridu employees they will understand very easily if they have a good communication with the other employees or the team members. What will happen, the aptitude will also increases. The group building assists with the building up of administration abilities, make individual more mindful. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರ ಪರ್ಸನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, fourth importance of team working. Next is prominent certainty. So your work will feel sure, move towards their companion once they have spoken with them. For instance, labor who is modest and on edge about the moving towards individuals more disposed to do that. Such a subsequent to conserving with the individuals during the group building works out. Staff will likewise feel more positive in the capacity and employment job. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಿನಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರವರ ಜಾಬ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಿನಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಜಾಬನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so these are all the 5 importance of team building.